So first of all, thank you for being here in my YouTube channel, friends. So in this video, we are going to solve problem number 2 from exercise 6.3, friends. So look at the problem number 2, friends. Find the sum of given below. That means we must find 7 plus 10 by 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus so on up to 84, friends. See, friends, when compared to previous problems, so he doesn't given that first term, second term, third term, and how many terms are there, and how many terms we must sum. That means either we must add first 5 terms or first 6 terms or first 10 terms. So nothing information is given. Just he has given 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus so on up to 84, friends. So don't worry whenever you see such type of problems. So just simply is asking to find the sum of some particular terms. So see, friends, the sum of n terms is equals to, we have two formulas, right? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, whereas n by 2 into a plus l. See, friends, whenever we know the first term and the last term, so then definitely we use the formula n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, friends? So this is the formula we will use when we know the first term as well as last term. So in this problem, we know the first term is 7 and the last term is 84. So that is the reason I am using this formula. So you may also use another formula, that means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, friends? Here what is a, friends? A is the first term, right? Here a is the first term. Here first term is 7. Okay, friends? A or a1 both are equal. So I am writing a1 is equals to 7. a1 is equals to 7. Here what is L, friends? L is the last term. So last term L is equals to 84. Okay, friends? Last term L is equals to 84. But we don't know what is the value of n, as well as we don't know how many terms we should add. That means Sn. Suppose n is equals to 6, S6. That means the sum of 6 terms. If we don't know this two, how can we solve the problem, friends? So it is not able to solve the problem, right? So with this information, we can't solve the problem. Then what we should require? N. So if we know the n value, we have a value as well as l value. So whenever we substitute all the values in the formula, so we will get sum of particular terms. So that is the reason. Okay, friends, we should find which term is 84. We should find which term is 84. So see, friends, I am writing we don't know which term, so that is the reason an is equals to 84. Okay, friends, so same like a previous exercise. That means we should find which term is 84. So whenever we find the word which term, so what is the formula? an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. Here what is an, friends? An is 84, right? So 84 is equals to a. A means 7 plus n minus 1 into d. D means common difference, friends. Here common difference. Common difference means second term minus first term. See, friends, here first term a1 is equals to 7 and the second term a2 is equals to 10 1 by 2. What is the meaning of 10 1 by 2, friends? 10 half, that means 10.5. 10 half means 10.5. So common difference d is equals to a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1. Here what is a2, friends? 10.5, right? So a2 is 10.5 minus a1. a1 means 7. So what is the value of 10 half minus 7? It will be 3.5, right? So 7 plus 3.5 will be 10.5. So finally we got the value common difference d is equals to 3.5. Now substitute the value of d here. So 3.5. Okay, friends? So after substituting, we have 84 is equals to 7 plus 3.5 into n, friends. So it will be 3.5 n minus 3.5. Okay friends, hope you understood. See here, an is equals to 84. That means an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is an friends? 84. So 84 is equals to, what is the value of a? A is 7, right? So 7 plus n minus 1 into common difference. Here I find out the common difference, d is equals to 3.5. So after calculating 3.5 into n will be 3.5n minus 3.5 into 1 will be 3.5. Okay friends, so that implies 84 is equals to 7 minus 3.5 friends. So 7 minus 3.5 will be 3.5 plus 3.5n. Okay friends, 3.5 plus 3.5 will be 7. So 7 minus 3.5 will be 3.5. So I am moving this 3.5 to this side. So it will becomes 84 minus 3.5 is equals to 3.5 n. Okay friends, 84 minus 3.5 is equals to 3.5 n. What is the value of 84 minus 3.5 friends? It will be 80.5, right? 80.5 is equals to 3.5 n. 3.5 n. Okay friends, 84 minus 3.5 will be 80.5. We have 3.5 n, so remain. So that implies, so whenever bringing 3.5 to this side, it will becomes 80.5 divided by 3.5 is equals to n. Okay friends, after decimal point we have one digit, and in the denominator after decimal point we have one digit. So see, I can cancel this decimal point, right? So that means into 10 into 10. So it will be cancelled. So finally we have n is equals to 805 by 35. Okay friends, 805 by 35. See friends, 5 sevens are 35 and 5 ones are 5. 30 will be 5 6 are 30 and 5 ones are 5. So finally we have n is equals to 161 by 7. 161 by 7. Again see friends, cancellation. 7 ones are 7 and 161. That means 7 twos are 14 and we have 21. That means 7 threes are 21. So finally we got n is equals to 23. N is equals to 23. That means the 23rd term is 84. The 23rd term is 84. Okay friends, that means indirectly is asking find the sum of 23 terms. Find the sum of 23 terms. So now we must find the sum of 23 terms. Okay friends, see I am substituting the values of n, a and l in the formula Sn. That means S23 is equals to n by 2 friends. That means 23 by 2 into a friends. What is a? A is the first term. That means 7. A plus what is l? Last term. Last term means 84. Last term is 84. So this becomes 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7 will be 91. 84 plus 7 will be 91. Okay friends. So 23 into 91 or else 23 into 91 friends. So 23 into 91. So 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 9 3s are 27, 2 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2 will be 20. So finally 3, 7 plus 2 will be 9, 0. 2093 friends. 2093 divided by 2. 2093 divided by 2. So whenever we cancel with 2, 2 ones are 2, 0 will be 0, 2 fours are 8, and remainder will be 1, 13, 2 6 are 12, 0.5. So the sum of 23 terms is equals to 1046.5. 1046.5. Okay friends, understood? Hope you understood the problem. See friends, I am explaining one more time. So we can use both the formulas. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l, or else Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But see friends, here I am using the second formula, that Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l. Why? Because I know the first term as well as last term, but I don't know how many terms are there. So that is the reason. So I am finding which term is 84. So already we know to find which term is 84. We have the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is what friends? 84. So 84 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. After substituting all the values, we will get n is equals to 23. That means the 23rd term is 84. So once we know the n value, substitute the n value, a values and l values, we will get the sum of 23 terms is equals to 1046.5. So in this way, you can solve the problem number 2 and problem number 3 in a second bit friends. So no need to worry. So simply just pause the video and look at the steps, each and every step carefully, so that you can easily crack the remaining questions. So